Is there such thing as a
Yeah.
VTuber mukbanger?
VTuber bug? No, I've heard of VTubers, but not VTuber.
There's no VTuber mukbanger. But back this, yo, somebody
That's not a
run
waste.
it up.
That's not a waste of food.
Somebody run it up.
Yo, I'm running that up.
Because it's not a waste of food. Cartoon food looks better than real food.
Low key.
High key cartoon food looks way better
Way
than real
better.
food. So imagine
Yeah.
a VTuber mukbanger.
Hard, yeah.
And then you don't have to worry about calories
oh my,
and shit.
yo, and you can recreate scenes like, oh, this is in the Spirited Away. I'm in Spirited Away.
Yeah.
Guys. Yo,
Holy
that's $1 million idea.
That's $1 million
Yo,
idea.
the Krabby Patty. Look, guys, I'm in SpongeBob.
Yo!
I'm in SpongeBob today.
Yo,
No.
and you guys want millionaire ideas,
Yeah,
bro?
yeah.
Just watch Jumpers
Holy
jump, man.